Stylish urban loft interiors capture the perfect balance between raw character and modern comfort. They transform open spaces into inviting homes, where high ceilings, exposed materials, and soft textures work together to create a look that feels both sophisticated and effortless. These homes celebrate the beauty of imperfection, the grain of old wood, the cool touch of metal, and the warmth of natural fabrics, all layered within a design that feels urban yet deeply personal. The first thing that defines an urban loft is its scale. High ceilings and wide open layouts give these spaces their signature sense of freedom. Light moves easily from one end to the other, creating a rhythm that changes throughout the day. Large windows framed with black metal invite the city inside, while keeping the atmosphere grounded and calm. The open plan allows living, dining and work areas to flow naturally together, with subtle furniture placement defining each zone without breaking the visual connection. Industrial elements give loft homes their character. Exposed brick walls, steel beams and concrete floors tell the story of the building's past, while giving the interior a timeless edge. These features remind you that luxury doesn't have to mean polished or perfect. In a well-designed loft, even unfinished textures feel intentional. Raw materials bring honesty and depth, and when paired with soft fabrics and warm lighting, they create contrast that makes the space feel alive. Colour in urban lofts tends to stay neutral, allowing materials and structure to take centre stage. Shades of grey, taupe and off-white form the base, while accents of black, deep brown or muted green add richness. This palette keeps the look refined and modern. To soften the industrial edges, warm tones appear through wooden furniture, woven textiles and artwork. The balance between cool structure and warm texture is what makes these interiors feel welcoming rather than cold. Furniture in a stylish loft should feel comfortable but purposeful. Oversized sofas, low tables and modular pieces help fill the open layout while keeping it casual and flexible. Materials like leather, oak, linen and metal combine naturally without looking over-designed. A leather chair beside a concrete wall or a soft rug beneath a steel staircase adds dimension and warmth. The goal is not to hide the industrial feel, but to complement it with comfort. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in these spaces. High ceilings allow for statement fixtures, large pendants, track lighting, or sculptural chandeliers that draw the eye upward. Layered lighting adds depth, combining task lamps, floor lights and ambient sources. A warm light works best, giving the hard materials a gentle glow and creating a cosy evening atmosphere. In the daytime, natural light becomes part of the architecture, highlighting textures and revealing details that make the space unique. The modern loft is not just about design, it's about emotion. The height of the ceilings gives freedom, while the roughness of materials brings grounding. Every piece, from the smooth wood under your feet to the metal beam above, plays a role in balancing openness and intimacy. It's an environment that feels both inspiring and comforting, a reflection of urban life at its most refined. Stylish urban loft interiors show that luxury can exist in honesty. They prove that exposed brick, worn textures and soft fabrics can create warmth that feels more genuine than polish ever could. When design, light and texture work together, even the simplest industrial shell becomes a sanctuary filled with life and personality. If you love interiors that combine raw beauty with comfort, make sure to like this video, share it with others who appreciate thoughtful design, and subscribe for more ideas on turning urban spaces into elegant, cozy homes that reflect your style and story.